Every Samsung Galaxy begins deep within the Earth, where pure silica is first unearthed. Tons of raw quartz are moved daily to begin the transformation into high-performance processors. Precision begins with the refinement of raw elements into their purest forms.
Extreme heat purifies the silicon to 99.99999%, a standard required for modern electronics.
In this molten state, the heart of the smartphone, the semiconductor, is born.
This single crystal ingot will eventually hold billions of microscopic transistors. Sliced with diamond precision, these wafers are the canvas for Samsung's engineering. Every surface must be flawless, polished to an atomic level of smoothness.
In an environment cleaner than an operating room, the silicon is prepared for circuitry.
These wafers now head to the heart of the fab, where the Samsung chip architecture will be etched. Climate-controlled transport ensures the delicate silicon remains pristine during transit. Thousands of components converge here, at one of the world's most advanced manufacturing hubs.
Every shipment is tracked in real time, synchronized with the global production heart.
Digital verification ensures only the highest quality materials enter the Samsung ecosystem.
Automation begins the moment the materials arrive, minimizing human error and contamination. High-speed internal logistics keep the production line moving at a relentless pace.
The human element is the final layer of precision in the Samsung manufacturing process.
Cleanliness is not just a rule, it is a requirement for micro-scale engineering. A single speck of dust can ruin a processor. The air shower is the final shield. Welcome to the heart of Samsung, where the world's most advanced mobile technology takes shape.
This is Gumi Smart City, the massive nerve center where Samsung's vision becomes reality.
Architecture and technology blend here to create an environment of constant innovation.
To power the future, this facility consumes enough energy to sustain a small city. Pure gases are the lifeblood of the semiconductor floor, maintaining perfect stability. Here, every second of production is monitored by the brightest minds in global engineering. The transition between logistics and creation is entirely seamless.
Only the finest conductive materials are selected for the Galaxy's internal circuitry.
On this floor, even a microscopic tremor is neutralized to protect the nanochips.
We enter the yellow room, where light itself is controlled to etch the world's fastest chips. This is the heart of the machine. The journey from raw silicon to a Samsung Galaxy officially begins. Before a single circuit is etched, the silicon must undergo an ultrasonic deep clean.
Purified water, cleaner than any found in nature, ensures an atomically sterile surface.
Sorting is a game of microns. Only the flawless survive the first round of selection. Speed and physics work together to achieve total dehydration of the base material.
Every single component is given a digital birth certificate for lifelong traceability.
Static electricity is the hidden enemy. Ionized air neutralizes the threat. Artificial intelligence identifies defects that are invisible to the human eye.
This light-sensitive coating is what allows the complex circuitry to be printed later.
Organized at scale, these parts wait for their moment to become the brain of a galaxy.
Sorting is complete. The canvas is ready for the masterpiece of engineering. In the heart of the fab, light is used as a brush to draw circuits thinner than a human hair. Plasma etching carves the pathways through which billions of electrons will soon flow. By bombarding the silicon with ions, we create the transistors, the tiny switches of the digital mind. Copper veins are laid down, creating a multi-level highway for data.
Precision at the atomic level ensures that every layer of the chip is perfectly flat.
A modern Samsung processor consists of dozens of layers, stacked with nanometer accuracy. Every individual chip is tested before it is even cut from the wafer. The wafer is divided, transforming a single sheet of silicon into hundreds of brains.
Flipped and bonded, the silicon is now ready to be integrated into the phone's nervous system.
This tiny piece of silicon is the soul of the galaxy. Now, it's time to build the body.
Transformation continues as we create the window to the digital world, the AMOLED display. Samsung's proprietary organic layers are what give the Galaxy its signature vibrant colors.
Precision is absolute. Even the camera cutout is carved with sub-millimeter accuracy.
The skeleton of the Galaxy is carved from high-strength aluminum for maximum durability.
The brain meets the body as the motherboard is secured into the reinforced frame.
Energy is added to the system, fueling the high-performance components within.
The eyes of the device are installed, a sophisticated array of glass and sensors. Screen and frame become one, sealed under immense pressure for a seamless finish.
With the back glass sealed, the internal components are now protected from the outside world. It is no longer just parts. It is a living, breathing piece of technology. In this silent dance of steel, robots achieve a level of precision that transcends human capability. Samsung's legendary water resistance is forged through laser point accuracy and pressurized sealing. Software and hardware are bonded, breathing life into the silicon brain of the device. Every stroke and every touch is calibrated to respond with zero latency precision. Wireless connectivity is fine-tuned to ensure the Galaxy stays connected in the most remote corners of the world. No detail is too small. Every microscopic fastener is checked against a global standard.
Advanced cooling systems are verified to keep the phone stable during intense gaming and multitasking.
Durability is engineered for years of use, tested in mere seconds by relentless automation.
Orientation sensors are leveled to the Earth's gravity, ensuring perfect navigation and gaming.
The machine has done its job. Now, human eyes and precision tools will add the final touch.
In the finishing line, perfection is the only acceptable standard for every Samsung device.
A specialized coating is bonded to the glass, ensuring a premium, smudge-free experience.
The brand name is etched with light, a mark of global quality and engineering heritage.
Every seam is measured. At Samsung, the difference between good and perfect is measured in microns.
Audio clarity begins with a clear path. Every port is meticulously scrubbed and vacuumed.
We ensure every pixel of the dynamic AMOLED display is firing with perfect color accuracy.
Balance and weight are the silent indicators of internal assembly integrity.
The final polish brings out the premium luster of the armor aluminum frame.
Visible connections are tested to ensure seamless interaction with the modern world.
After hundreds of steps, the hardware is ready. But its toughest challenge is yet to come.
To survive the real world, every Samsung device must first survive the gravity of our testing labs.
We simulate years of wear and tear in a matter of hours to ensure structural integrity. Water resistance is not a claim. It is a certified reality, tested under extreme pressure. Even the smallest grains of sand are kept at bay by Samsung's precision-engineered seals.
From the Sahara to the Arctic, a Samsung Galaxy is built to perform in any climate.
Strength is about more than just rigidity. It's about the ability to withstand the pressures of daily life.
We ensure that the premium finish you see on day one stays that way for years.
Reliability is tested to the limit, ensuring every interaction remains as smooth as the first.
Security begins at the hardware level, with multi-layered protection for total peace of mind.
The tests are over. The results are in. This device is now officially a Samsung Galaxy.
Sustainability is woven into our finish. Even our packaging is designed with the planet in mind. Every device finds its home in a package engineered for maximum protection and minimal waste. The essentials are added, completing the toolkit for the modern digital explorer.
Sealed and secured, the device is now ready for its journey across the globe.
Individual units to bulk shipments, the scale of Samsung's logistics is unmatched.
On these pallets, thousands of Galaxy devices wait to be dispatched to every continent. In this cathedral of technology, global demand meets flawless inventory management.
The journey from a grain of silicon to a world-class smartphone is now complete.
And this is how modern factories produce Samsung Galaxy smartphones from start to finish.
Innovation never sleeps. Tomorrow, we start again. Comment, what's next?